She's a good egg.
Another Friday night. Another bottle of brownie. Oh, freaking hell, that was the shittest pouring.
You can have that one.
Oh, this is yours. You wanted some ice cream, didn't you?
Look at the state of that.
Not this sophisticated as it needs to be.
We must be drunk because we're having cheese and crackers.
Blocks of cheese and crackers.
That's what you want to do.
Really, that much?
10 little crackers with literally a wedge of cheese. It was a gift, part of a hamper.
Off Chris and Claire.
We forgot all about it. So we thought we'd eat it before it goes out of date, even though the double Gloucester is slightly out of date. Get off, Oscar, you fat kid.
No, the Gloucester's in date.
Oh, is it?
It's this shit that I'm giving you now.
Oh, it's the stuff you're giving me that's out of date.
Yeah.
Right, get
Why
you.
buy 2 days?
You're probably wondering why he's not getting any. Hey, I'll just have the wax out your ears instead, eh?
Yummy. That made your tail wag, didn't it, lad?
What are you going to drink?
Tea.
Sarah's having a cup of tea and it's 9:45.
Why am I having a cup of tea, Alan? What does Alan want that Sarah will have with a cup of tea?
Biscuits. Welcome to Saturday morning in the Peak District. We're in Castleton at the Caravan and Motorhome club site, and it's quite different to last weekend at Campervan campsite, whatever it was called. You know, there's a few old deers and it's quiet and it's regimented, but I don't know, I quite like having that difference, because next weekend we're going to be doing something completely different again. So yeah, we've just decided we booked the Friday night here, and they only had Friday night available, but we had a last minute cancellation for Saturday night, so we're doing the 2 nights. It's beautiful around here. You know, you've got Mam Tor and Low Hill, and there's a few decent hills around here, and then we're, you know, you've got the mountain pass as well. I can't remember what it's called. So the plan for today, because the weather's a bit iffy, is to just maybe go into town, find out what's available for tonight's tea, and just relax. And then tomorrow morning, hopefully early morning, we're going to get up one of the hills, soak in the views whilst it's quiet, and then head home to watch England win the European finals against Italy. We're now going to have a look around the service pitches, because Friday night, last night, we stayed at a pitch with an awning, and then the cancellation for Saturday night came up as a service pitch, so we've now got to find a service pitch to gag in on. Anybody like an egg? Got bloody plenty. Although I didn't do a great job of peeling it. Look how orange that is. Yummy, yum. Should We've now moved to a pitch, a service pitch, and I think we've picked a winner. Looks like we might find a little gem for the future. Come for a mooch around Castleton. So we just basically walked out the site and seen what was in front of us. The town's literally 10-15 minutes away. There's a few nice footpaths nearby as well. A little petting zoo with goats and sheep and chickens and rabbits. No, where are you going?
No,
come here.
That way, lad.
Go on. And yeah. Just seeing where our feet take us, basically. What a busy little village that was. We've got the dog in the water, various little streams not dotted around. Seen some goats. We ate some pizza and fries. Ducks and ducklings. But the pizza and fries were there was loads of pubs, way more than we expected. There's one called the Castle, which is at the foot of the hill where the castle is halfway up. And it said stone-fired pizza. That was pretty much music to our ears. Or was it the George? Yeah. No, yeah, it was behind the castle pub, wasn't it? So it was called the George. Had a bottle of drum and bass, or dandelion and burdock. Dog had a few crusts as well.
There's a greasy in it.
But yeah, it's a busy little place for good reason. Like it's a bit of a bottleneck. There's loads of things to see. It's a beautiful area. We always knew it'd be busy here. You know, we didn't expect anything different. Sometimes you just got to come and experience these things yourself. But
we've been hundreds of times, though, haven't we?
Yeah, we've been a lot of times here, but we've never really explored it properly. We've only really been up in the hills. There's loads of little back streets and nice chippies and bakeries and pubs and shops and all kinds. So public footpaths everywhere, yeah. But we've now come back to the van. I mean, it's like 3:30 now. The dog's starting to tire and it is a warm day. So I think we'll just chill out, make sure the beers are freezing cold and crack them open again. And the plan is to get up at stupid o'clock in the morning and get up the top of Winnett's Pass and just experience the landscape from up high while it's still quiet.
horrendous.
Sunday morning, 7 o'clock, and we've just reached sneezing. We've just left the car park, it's campsite, sorry, gone through Castleton and headed up the hill a bit, so we're planning to get up to the top of Mam Tor. It's going to be about 20 minutes from here, because it's misty as hell, can't see the hills at all, so we're hoping we've got a bit of an inversion because the temperature cooled down a bit last night. So yeah, we're going to have a quick, short, sharp walk up to the top, and hopefully we'll be surrounded by cotton wool in the valleys. Looking promising, because behind me is a valley where we've just come from. It's full of cloud, and the summit is just up there. Might have been slightly wrong. Can't see a thing. Oh well.
Oscar doing what Oscar does best, cleaning up the sheep shit.
Waited on the summit for an hour, just under an hour, and didn't pay off. You can see there's views in the background now, and it looks really nice. You know, it's misty, cloudy, then clears up, but it's cleared from below because the breeze has picked up and cleared it out. We wanted it to clear from above so that the mist hangs low in the valley. We decided we're going to go down, have a coffee, and then head home and watch England beat Italy 3-0 in the final of the Euros. This video won't go out till afterwards, so hopefully I don't look like an idiot saying that. But it's coming home. Here she is.
You even got a love heart in your milk.
Sheesh. Do I have your attention? Come on, Jordan.
You can do it, lad.
It's Jorginho.
Heart's in his fucking mouth.
Oh, yes!
Step up and take huge responsibility on his young shoulders.
Come on, lad.
Saka has to
19
score.
years old.
Oh!
Shit!
And it's Italy who are the champions of Europe.
Oh, they've won.